In this week's programming session, I learned about one of the most important data structures in Python, which is the list. Lists are extremely useful because they allow us to store multiple values in a single variable, making programs more efficient and easier to manage. Instead of creating many separate variables, we can group related data together and perform operations on them collectively. One of the key concepts I understood was how to create and manipulate lists using built-in methods such as append, insert, remove, and pop. These methods allow us to dynamically modify the contents of a list, which is very useful in real-world applications such as managing user data, processing transactions, handling collections of items in systems like e-commerce platforms. Another important concept I learned was list comprehension. This provides a concise and powerful way to generate lists using a single line of code. For example, instead of writing multiple lines with loops, we can create filtered or transform lists efficiently. This is particularly useful in data processing tasks such as filtering datasets or transforming values in machine learning applications. I also explored multidimensional lists, which are essentially lists within lists. These are useful for representing structured data such as metrics, tables, or grids. For example, in this tutorial, we worked with a 4 by 4 matrix and calculated the sum of its major diagonal. This concept is widely used in real-world applications such as image processing, game development, and scientific computations. One of the most interesting problems we solved was the looker puzzle. This problem helped me understand how algorithms work and how patterns emerge from repeated operations. By simulating students opening and closing lockers, I learned that only lockers with perfect square numbers remain open. This demonstrated how programming can be used to identify patterns and solve logical problems efficiently. During the exercises, one challenge I faced was understanding how list indexing works, especially with two-dimensional lists. However, by carefully following the row and column structure, I was able to overcome this difficulty. This experience improved my problem solving skills and helped me better understand how data is stored and accessed in Python. Overall, this session helped me build a strong foundation in working with lists and multidimensional data. These concepts are essential in software development, data analysis, and many real world systems. I now feel more confident in using Python to solve complex problems and handle structured data effectively. Thank you.